In this video, we're going to install this 2-panel slider. Here, I'm going to show you what's in the box. I've already taken the packaging off, but what you're going to find in your box is 2 panels already prepped with your rollers and your guides. You'll have a top track, you'll have a bottom track, and you'll have a hardware bag. Now, one thing you're going to notice is there's going to be some tape holding your wheels. You're going to want to leave that on for now. That's going to make it a lot easier to install these doors by keeping them nice and tight. And we'll take that off later after we install them. Now let's go install this into our opening. So now we're going to go ahead and install our top and bottom track in the opening. Our track is going to be installed flush with the front edge of the opening, not including any casing. There's 2 pre-drilled holes on each end and a couple along the length you'll want to fill in with screws. And now we're going to install the bottom track. You're going to want to set the track 5/8 inches back from the front edge of the opening. I've already measured my spot. There's a wood floor under this carpet, so we're just going to go ahead and drill right into the floor. Next, we're going to install the doors. I'm going to start with the back panel on the back track. And then the front panel on the front track. And I'm going to take the panels, insert them up into the top track, and just set them down onto the wheels on the track. Now we're going to adjust them. Now, in order to adjust, we're going to adjust the rollers on the back. Now, if you remember, we had tape holding them when they were shipped. We're going to peel that tape off right now. So now that we have our panels installed, we're going to adjust them to take up this situation. Now, I'm going to take this other one off because we have to adjust the rollers from the back. It's just going to be easier for me to show you how to do it. If I want to close this gap up top, I'm going to want to adjust this bottom roller clockwise. So watch what happens to that gap when I turn this roller clockwise. This concludes our installation video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the phone number or at the email address listed on the screen.